Oh my. Erinn, stop! No! I'm currently sitting on the ground with this big box. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting this anywhere or if it's just gonna be for Erinn. So, hey Erinn. In case I do decide to post this on YouTube, me and my friend Erinn, I've known her since high school, literally since grade 9, and she was like one of the first people that I talked to in grade 9, which is crazy. And we decided to do like a box swap just to like send each other stuff. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is a little postcard and she drew Mickey Mouse, and there's a quote and it says, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." And I'm almost certain that is a Walt Disney quote. She did tell me ahead of time that there was going to be some Disney quotes. And she said to open the envelope first. So let's see. There's a little note. It says, "Michelle, enjoy this blast from the past journey when you open it. By the way, we need to do a recent one. By the way, we're cute." Oh no, she said she had to dig up some pictures, so I'm scared. Okay, so this was literally the first year that we met in grade 9. And we went to like this camp thingy at the beginning of the year to, I guess, just get to know everybody. We were on the same team, so that's us on Team Pink or Pink Team, something like that. This is also from that trip. I feel like this was in like our cabin area. I don't even know, it's so long ago. I think 2009. So that's crazy. Oh my god, and these ones are from later in high school. This one's so weird and creepy. So I used to be really obsessed with Marina and the Diamonds in high school, and I guess one year I tried to dress up as her in high school. I don't even know. So there's me. I don't know why I was holding a creepy doll though. So weird. And then these ones, I believe, are from some sort of party we went to in our friend group. I'm not sure whose party it was, but... And, oh, this is me at her debut, which was her 18th birthday in grade 12, and we had to give like a little speech. Thanks for the pictures, my god. I'm gonna keep these and put them in maybe like my bullet journal or something. Oh, she wrapped all of them, so I don't even have to blindly reach in. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot of things. I don't know what to choose first. There's 2 separate items in here, and she wrote little notes on every single package. My god. I'm sorry, Erinn, that mine wasn't as thought out. This is actually a bonus item. The company gave me 2 by mistake. I'm not sure if you're still into makeup, but hopefully you love them. Cinderella is my favorite princess, fun fact. So she got me the ColourPop designer collection. I actually haven't seen these because I don't really keep up with ColourPop anymore, or just makeup in general anymore. I still do love makeup, so I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. Ooh, it's a really nice color. So this is a Luxe Liquid Lip, and it's in the shade Prince Charming. And this is a pressed powder cheek. Is the blush? I don't know. It's also from the designer collection. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. It says Horse and Carriage, so I'm assuming that's what the shade is called, and it's also Cinderella themed. Oh my god, this packaging is gorgeous. So this is a highlighter. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay. Oh my god, it's so buttery. I actually don't have any ColourPop highlights. I have never really ordered from them, so... Oh my god, that's so pretty. So you can like sheer it out, and it's not too in your face. Now I'm seeing this, oh, that's kind of heavy. Okay. Seeing this box, green box, and it says, "Hey Michelle, hope this item makes you, oh, I hope this item makes drinking whatever you drink, coffee or tea, more enjoyable. Hint, it changes and it's Disney." So she got me a Lilo and Stitch heat changing mug. I love these kinds of mugs. I currently have 2 of them. One from David's Tea. I used to have another one, but it broke. And I have a Slytherin one that changed color. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I am probably gonna use it tonight for my evening tea. Oh, I'm so excited. There's so many things. What the heck, Erinn? Hey Michelle, so I got stuff for you, like journals, but I forgot to get you pens. Sorry, I couldn't get you cuter pens. I love anything stationery. I could spend hours just looking at books and pens and journals. Like, I just love all that kinds of stuff. Oh my god, there's a lot of them. Wow, I feel very spoiled right now. It's a black brush pen. This looks like one of my eyeliner. Another brush pen, I believe it's double-sided. It's like a blue color. I need to get into calligraphy now, apparently. And then this one's like the other smaller one, but it's gray. It's gonna be so good in my bullet journal. And there's another one like that one, but it's blue. It's also a brush one, but there's like physical ink. That's interesting. I've never like really used a brush pen, so it's gonna be fun to use. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like a blast from the past. Just like those pencils I used to use as a kid that I would get at like the Asian store. And it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like into little individual pieces of lead, and you can like, and then once you're done with this one, you take it off and you put it into the bottom, and there's another one. Oh, this is so cute. It's a Hello Kitty pen. And this one, is this one a yellow pen? Let me test. Oh no, it's black. It's a very nice pen. And I believe this is the same thing. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I always could use pens. Oh my gosh. Hey Michelle, this item will help you keep track of all the books you'll probably be reading in the future. I also have so many books to read. Erinn, I'm gonna cry. Wow, everybody needs a friend like Erinn, I swear to god. Book Lover's Journal. No way. Oh my god, so every single page has like a book log. They have a rating scale. This is like the exact kind of nerdy that I love. My mom is here, by the way. Oh my god! I don't have one of these. What is this? Plus it's a coffee warmer. What is that? Oh my god, it's a little thing to keep your cup warm. I've never even seen one of these before. Okay, well now I can put this at my desk for when I'm working. I need my tea to be warm. Okay, so this has to do with bullet journaling. She says it'll help me make it more colorful. Markers? What are you? Oh, she got me washi tape. I love me some washi tape.
Why so much?
I don't know. Erinn, did you hear that? Why so much? I don't know. Oh my god, this is gonna be a very long video. I'm so sorry. There's way too many to do like a close-up. I currently only have like, I want to say like 2 or 3 washi tapes, and I love them. And I love how these ones are foiled. They have like gold foiling on them. Erinn, you know the way to my heart. I heard painting is a great way to relax. Stress this girl. There's no way to create art. Here are some paints. Beware of the smell. Okay. Alcohol ink. I've never used alcohol ink before. What is this? Oh. They're permanent fast drying ink. I will find a way to use them. I've never used these before. I love how she says beware of the smell, and the first thing I do is smell it. Well, I'm gonna go research how to use alcohol ink after. Here are some supplies used with your unique journal. Can't wait, don't want to spoil it in case you haven't opened it. Sometimes you have to add some color in the dark. God! She got me metallic pens. This girl, stop it. Stop it. I just ordered this. I literally just ordered this. Well, that's great, because now I have 6 of them. Me and Erinn are just on the same wavelength. I can't. Oh my god. I'm speechless. There's still so many to open. These will help you with the other items. No spoiler, not sure if you already had some, so want to get you some brand new ones. You're so special. I gave you the big pack. It's so cute. She got me colored pencils too. Oh my god, I'm just gonna go on like a crazy art frenzy. Oh my god, she got me 100 of them. She says, if you ever need motivation, read 1 or 2 pieces of paper. Is this what I think it is? Also, the washi tape that you've been using, Vivi pretty. Oh, she wrote me so many notes. And she provided me with a lot of note cards, which I love because I always use notepads. Okay, so let's open one. Let's see what she said. Oh my god, this is so cute. She wrote like little quotes. I love quotes. You can't let fear rule your life. I've seen you grow throughout the years, and it has stopped you before. Don't let it stop you now. Oh my god, like these are the types of gifts that like you cherish for the rest of your life. So I'm gonna keep this at my desk. Anytime I'm feeling frustrated or angry at the world, I will read one of these. And there's another little box that says, if you need some inspiration, and guess the movie. Something to cheer you up. Oh my god, Erinn! These are so freaking cute! Ugh, I'm so sorry my box was not as exciting as this. I'm so sorry. My goodness. It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. I don't know what movie that's from. I'm assuming it's a Disney quote. Let me see. Alice in Wonderland. See, I'm not the biggest Alice in Wonderland fan, but still, great quote. Great inspirational quote. I'll be putting this at my desk as well with the other one. Okay. We have 3 more packages to go. My batteries died. Great. Okay, let's see. Try and make this quick. You probably have a journal currently they're using, but I want to give you a unique journal. Open it up and you'll see what I mean. Oh my god, is this what I think it is? Hold on. Hold on. She couldn't have known this. She literally couldn't have known this. I have been wanting a black journal, a black page journal for so long. And I just couldn't find one. I asked Martin. I've been talking about wanting a black journal, and I even went to the extent of putting black construction paper in my actual bullet journal right now to like kind of hack one. But I'm so excited. Oh my god. And it's so simple and cute. Oh my god. And it's the perfect size. It's literally like what I was looking for. As someone who graduated from a mental health program, I realized mental health is important. I also got this and it helps. When days are tough, remember to put your mental health first. You cannot help others unless you take care of yourself. As my teacher puts it, it reminds us to put ourselves first. Okay, let's see. Oh god, my battery's dying. Oh my god! It's a mental health journal. Mental health recovery workbook. Oh my god, and the aesthetic. The font. This is great. Oh my god. I'm actually excited to use this. Last thing in the box. Hey Michelle, sorry for the extra tissue paper. The pink one doesn't cover the items. Hope these items will help you to de-stress. Another item will help you finish it. Finley? Finley! You wanna see something? You wanna see something? just saw this one. Okay, this one made me excited either way. It's a pug coloring book. Guys, what is happening? Erinn, you went above and beyond. I'm so sorry that my box was so crappy in comparison to what you got me, but and last item, great item to end on. A Hercules coloring book. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, well, I don't think I have anything else to say because I'm speechless. Thank you so much, Erinn. I really cherish your friendship so much, and I cannot wait till we can actually hang out and not just send each other things. Wow, I'm mind blown. But yeah, I love you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item is out of every single thing that I got. I don't think I can choose one, honestly, because I like, honest to God, loved every single item. I can't.